Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the mega recruitment, that is huge vacancies from one of the top university. So here the opportunities are there for the graduate and postgraduate, that means only PG, PG plus UG Senate and PhD. So for all these different types of categories here, the huge number of vacancies and opportunities are there, and you can teach by sitting in your home. That is for the open distance learning, the assistant professor vacancies are there and the non-teaching vacancies are also there. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of teaching as well as the non-teaching positions in the top university. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation, guys. So please share this video to them, and for more notifications like this, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is the KL University, guys. So in this one, while coming to the current opening, so here the huge number of vacancies are there. Okay, so I will show you all the vacancies. So please watch this video until the end. You will get the complete details, guys. Okay, so the first one is Executive Director for Online Learning, Technical Support Staff for Online Distance Education Department, Physical Director, Student Counselor, Social Media, Digital Library Assistant, Office Assistant and Content Writer, Student Counselor. So faculty open learning as well as the open distance learning program at the Red Center for Distance and the Online Education. So the remaining vacancies I will show you, guys. Okay, so first we will focus on this one. Why? Because it is a very important one that I want to show you as per the teaching wise. So faculty OL and the ODL program. So 2 to 5 years of experience, and while coming to the job description, we are happy to inform you that KL deemed to be university having immediate requirement for faculty for OL and the ODL program at the Red Center for Distance and Online Education in Science and Humanities Department. Okay, so if you want to apply for this one, you have to click on this one, guys. I will show you that one also. The roles and responsibilities are given here. Must be comfortable working within online learning management system and proficient in virtual learning environment, and overall coordination of the development, delivery and assessment of the learners in the online programming. So shall participate in teaching, curriculum and course material development, e-content, e-tutorial assessments, discussion forums, and undertake the examination or test or evaluation for invigilation work, and the general assistant to learners in removing their academic difficulties. So to sort out all academic issues, including coordination of academic support services, responsible for coordinating the development, delivery and academic support to learners. Okay. And coming to the specializations are BA, BBA, BCA, BCom, BSc Computers, MA English and MSc Mathematics. And coming to the qualification required, candidate must have the post graduation in the respective specialization. Preferable is the PhD or the doctorate. That means PhD or the doctorate is not mandatory here. If you are having the only post graduation, then you can apply for this one, guys. Okay, so you may teach by sitting in your home itself. Why? Because it is a open learning as well as the ODL program. So here MA or MB or MC or MSc or doctorate is required, and the experience, the relevant experience preferred, and the desirable candidate profile. Candidate should have the good communication skill and good subject knowledge. Okay, the candidate should have a regular degree, regular graduation degree or else a post graduation degree. So innovative teaching methodologies, and can able to manage any other responsibilities assigned by the management from time to time. So here the college website is given and the mail ID is also given here. So all the interested candidates, you may send your resume to this provide mail ID, that is careers@kluniversity.in. Okay, and you may refer your colleagues and friends also who are looking for such type of opportunities, and referrals will be highly appreciated. That means not only you, whoever your friends or colleagues are there, looking for such type of opportunity. So please share this video to them. It will be helpful to them also, guys. And the postal address with contact number is completely given here. If you are having any queries regarding this notification, then you may contact to the person, that is Srinivas, and here the telephone number as well as the mobile number is given. and the role is assistant professor. The salary is not yet disclosed. Okay, so please contact the person, then you may get the remaining details, guys. Okay, so these are all the job description and the eligibility conditions to the faculty, okay, who wants to work under OL as well as the ODL program. Fine. So that is this one, and apart from this one, here the few more vacancies are also there. So PPC specialist and faculty, instructional designer and value educational trainer, soft skills, and assistant professor required for the skill development division, and a coding trainer also required for the faculty for KLU Hyderabad. That means total 3 to 4 campuses are there here, guys. So out of these 3 to 4 campuses, the huge number of vacancies are there. Okay, so you may be, based upon your qualification, okay, you may be fixed at any one of the position based upon their scrutiny, okay, or else the interview process. So total 14 number of current vacancies are there. So here, apart from the teaching, okay, just now I shown you the teaching vacancies, okay, faculty for the OL and the ODL. So if you belongs to the any other, if you are looking for the non-teaching positions, then you may go for the office assistant as well as a content writer. So for example, while coming to the content writer, here you may check down, okay, content writer. The role and responsibilities are content writer will develop and create the content for the university social branding. Okay, so coming to the skills and qualification, excellent verbal and written communication skills. Okay, so confident in producing the work across the multiple platforms. So here the educational qualification requirement is any post graduation, guys. Okay, so any post graduation is required. So with these skills, then you may apply to this one. Okay, so whatever the mail ID I shown previously, okay, you just send the same thing. Okay, if you are looking for such type of jobs, guys. Fine. So these are all the different notifications, okay, from the same university. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please once go through this one, or else you may drop your CV here also. Fine. So instead of going to each and everything, okay, if you are looking for such type of opportunities, you may drop here CV here also. The separate column is mentioned here. Okay, so type down your name as well as email ID, mobile number, and current location, and attach your resume. Okay, and then click on the submit here. Then if your qualification is other than these notifications, those are mentioned here, then you just drop your CV, guys. Okay, so based upon the requirement, you may get the call. Fine. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time. So those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide